everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Well, it has been a month since I've done anything with protein, and it is time for me to do a protein treatment. If you want to know what I've been doing in the past 1 month, I've been using one hair product, and needless to say, my hair needs to be strengthened. I need to do something to this hair. So I told you guys I bought, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I bought the Green Beauty protein treatment, the real protein treatment. I'm always leery about mixing protein, like using eggs and things of that sort, just because people say the molecules are too big. If you use eggs, do you? But I decided to try this, so I paid, I think it was over $25 with shipping and handling for this, and this is real hydrolyzed protein treatment. So information about this protein, I'm just going to tell you right now so that you know about it. So this protein is derived from soft wheat. The real protein treatment is a low molecule weight. It has a weight of 750 to 1000 kDa, and then it gives it the ability to not only coat and patch up, but it also penetrates into damaged cuticles layers. So if your hair is damaged, this will penetrate. All the other stuff, they kind of coat the hair, they give you an illusion of strengthening, but they coat the hair. This will penetrate the hair, it will nourish and it will strengthen your hair from within. When you're doing protein treatment, when your hair is breaking from either colored or either your hair is just damaged from heat and all kind of stuff, you want to use a real protein treatment. I can't emphasize that anymore. The good thing about this is that you can always take this. Don't use it alone. You take it and you mix it with other stuff. I'm going to be mixing it today with my Kadima Organic Beauty cocoa and mango butter. Now this thing, I love it because even as low porosity hair, many of you run away from protein and you shouldn't. There are instructions in here that tells you that if you have low porosity hair, this is how you mix it. If you have high porosity hair, this is how you mix it. And if you have normal porosity hair, this is how you mix it. I have a mixture of low porosity and normal porosity, but I'm going to be following the instructions for the low porosity, which says that I should mix half a cup of conditioner, deep conditioner. I should mix that with about 3 tablespoons of this. So you can use any conditioner that you have, as long as it's not a leave-in conditioner. It should be a moisturizing conditioner, not one that already has protein in it. So my hair is washed, my scalp is very clean. You want to have a very clean scalp for this. And when you apply this product, you don't want to apply it to your scalp. My hair feels strong. It feels really as if not really hard strong. It just feels really nice. After you apply it to your hair, you do want to keep it in your hair covered with a plastic cap or shower cap. Okay, so I am done rinsing my hair, and this is the state of my hair. My hair feels really good. It feels soft and it feels strong at the same time. I'm surprised because I've been always afraid of protein treatment, because like the Afro G two-step, I'm always afraid of it because people say, oh, your hair gets really hard. But this, my hair feels so good. Look at my hair. Oh my gosh, it feels alive. Look at the curls popping. Look at that. And the elasticity, look at that. Oh gosh, see? Oh, it's so nice. The last thing to do is just to put my leave-in conditioner, and I'm using my Kadima leave-in conditioner. So I just have to just put that in and just put that around my hair, and that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have tried this before, please let me know. Comment, let me know, and let me know what protein treatment you use on your hair. And I'll be using this on my daughter who has high porosity and my other daughter who has normal porosity. so that you guys can see how it looks like. So keep an eye out for that video, and I guess we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, this feels good. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Snap. Look at that. Snap.